This is the lathe for processing the surface and outer circle of the grinding wheel body. The tolerance of the grinding wheel body is well controlled according to client's requirement. The worker needs to control the rotary speed and the feed rate. And this one is a CNC machine. This machine is used for internal grinding of the grinding wheel body. This machine is drilling a hole for this solid steel. This hole will be the center hole of the grinding wheel. And this one is the grinding machine, which is used for grinding the small parts. The worker is discussing with the engineer how to produce this grinding wheel for a specialized client. For a tiny hole, sometimes we need to use this machine. This line is very thin. Can you see it?